Okay, so in this one, we're gonna show you how to do a quick assembly. So let's say we have our rocket parts, right? So I'm just gonna make something real quick. So I'll make like the body of my rocket. So I think the ones you guys are making, it's I think like it's made out of paper. So let's say I want to make my body to be 1 inch in diameter, and you can see if I make another circle already in the center, this will be maybe 1.25 inches in diameter. So let's say it's 1.25, something like that. So the thickness will be 0.25. All right, finish sketch. I'll do extrude, and I can select the outer circle and just drag it, and we'll say that this is about, let's say this is about a foot, so this is 12 inches, right? So that's our part. So let's just change real quick the properties. So bodies, body, and I will change this physical material. We'll make this out of I think this is not 3D printing. I think you can actually have this one made out of paper, but I'll also use ABS just for keep it consistent. All right, so close, and I will save this as rocket body. So yours, of course, will look different. You can have different bodies that you'll make, but this is just so you guys can model. Like you want to model your whole rocket, this is extra. If you want to model your whole rocket, this is how you would do it. That's my rocket body. So it's saved. I'll make a new part. And this one I will do the nose cones. Once again, I'll do the right face. I will do a line, center here, 90 degrees, or something pointy like that. Center, something here, here. I mean, if anything, I don't come out like that, I can always do the constraints. So we'll do this horizontal with this one. There we go. I will dimension this to be, let's say, 3 inches tall. And I want this part to be consistent 1 inch. There we go. Maybe we make this one to be um 5. That way there's at least 3 inches out or 4 inches out. So let's do 4. And then, I'll play around with those later. I'll keep it open just so I can play with the dimensions. Um, do something aerodynamic like that. Just to say it's like that. And maybe I'll do a small fillet here. There we go. Yeah, do something that's. So I'll finish my sketch, and then I'll do my revolve. This right on this line. I'll do full. Okay, right, and then I will change this also to ABS plastic. All right, so bodies, uh, right click, physical material, and let's just do ABS as well. There we go, close, and also we can just change the color, just uh, so we can have something. So plastic, this is just the color. So um, stone wood, we don't have one of those. I don't have my appearances saved. And let's say it looks like this. This is just appearance. It's not the material. It just looks like this, right? You can do whatever you want. Because you can see if I still right click it, it should say that the physical material it's a ABS. Yeah, so in properties, yeah, appearance, it looks like polyamide, but it's still ABS. So everything still counts as ABS. Okay. All right, so I'll save this part and I'll just say this is the nose cone. In this case, mine is 2 because I already made another one. So I'll just call it nose cone 2. You can call it yours, whatever.